Sabi mo, Mamita,
Pinda.
happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
I love you.
I love you.
Happy birthday.
Hi, tita. Happy birthday. And senior ka na. Sa wakas, pwede ka nang manood ng libreng sine. Ayun. Wish you all the best. And sana maraming birthdays ka pang dumating. I love you. I love you. I love you. And ingat ka palagi. Happy birthday! 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Tita Janet! Happy 60th birthday, Tita. Sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo. And we love you.
Happy birthday, tita. More blessings sa business saka sa good health.
Yes. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hi Tita Janet, happy 60th birthday. Sana lagi kang mag-iingat and stay healthy. Sana magkita-kita tayong muli. Happy birthday.
Janet, long time no, hindi tayo nagkikita. Sana magkita ulit tayo. Huwag ka masyado mapapagod. Alam mo, 60 ka na. Kailangan hinay-hinay na ang paggagala. Huwag na masyado magpapagod. Banding naman tayo next time. Tayo, out of town tayo para naman masaya, di ba? Yung dati natin ginagawa. Palagi na lang tayo pasyal-pasyal na lang. Tama na yung trabaho na yan. Happy birthday! Love you, miss you.
Hi, Net. I feel so lucky to have you as a friend. Hope your 60th birthday is as special as you. May the Lord grant all your heart desire. Happy birthday! Mwah! Love you!
Happy birthday, Janet!
Happy birthday to you. Cha-cha-cha.
Happy birthday to you!
Cha-cha-cha.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you!
Oh, welcome.
Senior citizen ka na rin.
Senior citizen. Welcome to the senior citizen. Malapit magkakaroon ka na ng senior citizens ID.
Okay. Enjoy shopping. Bye-bye. And
Bye.
eating out. Sige. Bye.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Janet. Happy birthday to you. And many more. Utang muna ang gift. Love you all. Bye.
Hi, Janet. Happy birthday and God bless you. I pray na makuha mo at makanta mo ang iyong minimithi sa buhay. In Jesus' name. I love you.
Practice. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Sis, love you. Ay sis, kumusta ka na dyan? Balita ako, 6-0. Happy birthday sis. I love you. I wish you abundant life and double prosperity. I love you. I have something for you. Hope you like it. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Have a great day. Bye-bye.